It's a ANA Airbus 380. Alright, so we're gonna go to the United Club Lounge. No food. We're in the United Lounge in Honolulu. What's this? Cheese. Restroom inside 777. Yeah, it's nice and clean. It's nice and clean. On 777 300. On our way to Guam.
Keep the airline clear. For those of you in our exit row and our bulkhead seats, all items must be stowed in the overhead bin for landing. Flight attendants, please complete technical safety checks and leave your seats.
Hafa day. So we made it to Guam here on the escalator, and a couple weeks ago this building was flooded. It smells musty in here. Duty free. The carpeting's been taken out. Mold. And that's it. So here we are on Tuman Bay, and the water's just beautiful. Beautiful Tuman Bay. And there is the... So the governor, her face looks thinner in person than when I see her on TV. But I didn't see the lieutenant governor, only the governor. And the governor just went by. Yeah, the water's warm. You can see how warm it is here. It's like what?
It's like bath.
Yeah, it is. That's why you like see those parrotfish. They like swimming there in this warm water. So there is the Hyatt. And we just had a visit from the governor who rode by in a golf cart, an air-conditioned golf cart. And you can see the canvas canopy came down, but the beams are quite rotten here at the Hyatt, which was nice last year, but now we see the damage that was done from the typhoon. Miramar. So we're here at the pool, the Hyatt in Guam.